wondered what the difference between cleaning and descaling your coffee machine is and why you should be doing both? If your coffee tastes bitter, watery, or just off, your machine likely needs a proper clean. Over time, coffee oils, residue, and grime build up inside, affecting taste and performance of your machine. And that's where Caffenu's powerful cleaning pods and tablets come in. Using Caffenu's cleaning tablets and following your machine's cleaning instructions will have your coffee maker as good as new in no time, ensuring the freshest coffee taste with every brew. Okay, now that our coffee machine is very nice and clean, why do we need a descale? If your coffee isn't hot enough or your descaling light won't turn off, it's time to descale. Descaling removes limescale and calcium buildup that clogs your machine, improving water flow and heating efficiency while preventing rust and corrosion. Cleaning and descaling go hand in hand, but doing them regularly isn't just important for the health of your machine, but also to ensure that you have the best tasting coffee always.